Beautiful Locks Club. Doesn't that sound wonderful? We bring together women with dry, lifeless, or slow growing sister locks to teach new hair care tips and techniques so that we can nourish and revitalize our locks for healthier and fuller hair. We also share various other interests like sewing and crafting and crocheting and quilting and investing and consulting and business. You get the picture. Another key part to our culture in our community is building a supportive and encouraging community, especially for those who are going through expansion and rebuilding and resetting their lives. And we also understand that seasoned women are always evolving and repurposing their lives according to their season. Although Beautiful Locks Club is initially for those who have sister locks, we know that we're a community of women who are free to grow and expand and to live life on our own terms with God front and center. Hello! My name is Rene Michelle Floyd, and if you want to revitalize your sister locks and nourish your spirit, then we would love to have you join our Beautiful Locks Club to encourage and to bring your attributes and contributions to our community. And if you'd like to get on the wait list, right, then all you need to do is click the button below, get on our wait list. We will keep you informed as to when we will launch. And I tell you, we are excited to have something such as this for women such as yourself. And so click the button below, get on our wait list, and we can't wait to connect with you and to get to know you and to flourish in our new Beautiful Locks Club. See you on the other side.